Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my latest travel video. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, beach parties in Barcelona. We have CDLC. This stands for Carpe Diem Lounge Club, and it's another one of my favorite beach clubs in Barcelona. The decor is beautiful, with a mix of Asian and Mediterranean influences. The music is always good, and the cocktails are even better. You can lounge on the comfortable sofas and enjoy the beautiful view, or dance the night away on the dance floor. Finally, we have Eclipse. This is a rooftop bar located on the 26th floor of the luxurious W Hotel. It has some of the most stunning views of the city, and the atmosphere is always sophisticated and chic. You can enjoy a delicious cocktail while watching the sunset, and then dance the night away to the beats of some of the best DJs in the world. In conclusion, Barcelona has some of the best beach parties in Europe, and these are just a few of my favorite spots. Whether you're looking for a lively party or a more upscale vibe, you'll find it all here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!